I picked up this CD at HMV and I thought it'd be interesting to show you how to put it on an iPod, since I know a lot of people are picking up MP3 players again. So first you need a disc reader. My computer doesn't have one, so I bought one and it's really useful, very versatile. Next, since I have a Mac, it automatically opens Apple Music and starts importing the album. If you have like a Windows, you can download iTunes and basically do the same thing if you're using an iPod. But basically this imports the CD into your laptop or PC. I'm using a desktop. It does take a little bit of time to get all the songs on, but it's worth the wait. It's not really that long, maybe like 5 minutes. Whilst it's doing this, it's when I like to get the album artwork, because sometimes it doesn't automatically come with it, and if you're not logged into iTunes or an Apple account, it won't get it automatically from the iTunes store. You have to kind of do it yourself. Getting the artwork is actually a super easy process, but I thought I'd just show it just for the sake. So I like to go in and use the Amazon image because it tends to be a lot clearer. When I first started importing my albums onto my iPod, I tried to use the Wikipedia one and it always was blurry. So yeah, Amazon image and sometimes the Spotify image if it comes up in search. Name it whatever you want to name it. I've just named it the album name and it's saved to my downloads, so it's really easy to get into. And to get it onto the actual album, you have to go back into like your recently added, get info, and then go that way. And voila, you have your album artwork and it shows up like this on your iPod too. Now to actually get it on the iPod, it's super simple. I feel like they've made this so easy. So like, I'm pretty sure my grandma could do this, but you literally plug your iPod in and it pops up in the side and then you can click onto it and sync it. Once you get into this, you literally just press that button. It adds only the new songs, because obviously if you've added all the old songs before, it won't. You just need to add those new ones and it's done pretty much. If this has been helpful, that's great, let me know. But yeah, if you have any questions on anything else to do with my iPod or your own iPod, leave a comment down below.
Thank you for watching this video. Me and my son say goodbye. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to find me anywhere else, just find me on TikTok or Instagram at NewRomantic with an X instead of an O in romantic. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day and bye.